Nag-start kami kasi noong mga siguro around 2008, 2009, hindi lang yung mga shops na nagbebenta ng longboards. Tapos sobrang mahal niya. Sakto nakahanap kami ng materials na kailangan namin, which is bamboo. Nag-research kami paano ginagawa. Kasi ayaw lang namin ng basta-basta lang na board. Gusto namin talaga matibay. At least tatagal siya ng sobrang tagal na kahit ilang taon, kahit barag-baragin mo. Right now, longboarding is really booming. We started out dati mga around less than 100.
All over the country,
Yeah.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Mhm.
Wow. And where is it most popular?
Manila and siguro Cebu. Maraming sobrang daming magagaling yung skater Cebu.
How do you think the quality compares to the foreign, the imported ones? How big is the difference if there's any at all?
Sa tingin ko, wala nang difference eh. Yeah, yung sa kanila lang is made by machines, lahat handmade. Doesn't really matter kasi alam natin yung quality nandun.
Do you export your boards, your decks?
Right now, nag-expand kami, mag-try kami tap yung Asia muna. Eventually, sana, American, Canada.